You know, there are a lot of people that we haven't met around the neighborhood yet. Let's see if we can meet a few more, all right? Oh, who are the people in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood, in your neighborhood. Say, who are the people in your neighborhood? The people that you meet each day.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh.
Yes, you know what time it is? We're late for class.
Say, you must be some of the new people around the neighborhood.
That's right, that's right. Now, we'll give you clues who
Okay,
we are.
let's do that.
Yes, we work with blackboard and
Blackboard
chalk.
and
Yes,
chalk.
and we work usually in a big building.
In a big building?
And we work with children.
Yes.
I know who you are.
What?
You're teachers.
Right. Oh, a teacher works the whole day through.
To teach important things to you.
We'll teach you things you won't forget, like numbers and the alphabet.
'Cause the teacher is a person in your neighborhood.
Yes, in your neighborhood. They're in your neighborhood. Yes, a teacher is a person in your neighborhood. A person that you meet each day.
Let's take a walk down the street and see if we can meet some other people, okay? Oh, hi there. Hey, I don't think we've met him before. How are you?
I'm all right, I think.
You're all right?
Sure.
I see you're selling, magazines.
Yeah, sure. Magazines, newspapers, anything
Newspapers?
like that.
You must be the, news dealer, right?
Of course I'm the news dealer. Oh, the news dealer's the man you need if you want to get some stuff to read. If you want a paper or a comic book, well, my newsstand is the place to look.
'Cause the news dealer is a person in your neighborhood.
In your neighborhood.
In your neighborhood.
And the teacher is a person in your neighborhood.
They're the people that you meet
When you're walking down the street, they're the people that you meet each day.